Hello, dear children. I hope you are well. I think you know me. I am Mr. Giraffe, and today I came here to make a delicious homemade cake with you. Dear friends, you can easily prepare carrot and walnut cake at home. Many family members, especially housewives, are very interested in baking cakes and sweets. For this reason, they prefer making cakes and sweets at home to buying ready-made cakes from outside, because in this case, they are sure of the quality of the raw materials used in making cakes. Carrot cake is one of the most popular cakes that are cooked with different recipes. Therefore, in this video, I am going to teach you the best carrot and walnut cake recipe. In this recipe, walnuts and cinnamon are also used. If desired, you can remove walnuts or cinnamon and add ingredients such as hazelnuts or apples to it. Combining these ingredients with each other is a matter of taste. You can also use nuts or chocolate to decorate the carrot cake. If you are planning to cook a delicious homemade cake with smart cooking oil, stay with me. Indeed, you can also use sunflower oil containing tocopherol to prepare this delicious cake. Well, my dear friends, I am back. Let's talk about the necessary ingredients for the cake. Carrot, walnut, and cinnamon cake recipe. Necessary ingredients for carrot, walnut, and cinnamon cake. You must be careful about the amount of ingredients in order to see the desired result from baking the cake. Eggs for PCS. Carrot, 2 pieces or 1 glass grated. Flour, 2 glasses or 250 grams. Baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons. Walnut kernel, 1/2 glass. Bud liquid oil, 1/2 glass. Cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Sugar, 1 cup. Well, my dears, I will continue with how to prepare the cake with you. Well, my friends, I'm back. Now let's learn the recipe of this delicious cake together. First, mix the eggs and sugar until they become creamy. While stirring the eggs, add sugar little by little. After mixing the sugar and eggs together, add the grated carrot to it. As you continue to mix, add vegetable butter or liquid oil to the resulting mixture. We suggest you to use sunflower oil containing tocopherol, which is a complete oil and contains all the nutrients in a balanced amount for the body. In another container, mix baking powder, cinnamon, and flour together, and then sift. After sifting the flour, cinnamon, and baking powder, slowly add it to the liquid that you have already prepared. If you plan to cook carrot and walnut cake, you can add walnuts to your mixture. Try to stir your cake mixture to one side so that the cake ingredients do not puff up. Grease the surface of the mold you have prepared for the cake with vegetable butter. Using vegetable butter or margarine, butter instead of liquid oils makes the cake tastier. Pour the carrot cake liquid into the mold to create a uniform texture in the cake and eliminate its bubbles. Gently tap the mold several times, 10 minutes before you put the cake in the oven. Turn it on to preheat the oven. Place the mold in the oven at a temperature of 170 degrees and remove it after 40 minutes. Use the melted dark chocolate to decorate the carrot cake. Well, friends, now we want to review some of the important points in cooking homemade carrot cake together. Instead of walnuts, you can use nuts, raisins, and other nuts in the composition of this cake. You can increase or decrease the amount of walnuts used in the cake according to your taste. The amount of your puff cake depends on the amount of mixing the eggs in the ingredients. The longer you stir, this action will have a direct effect on the amount of your puff cake. It is better to put all the ingredients outside in a uniform environment before baking the cake so that their temperature is balanced. 3. In order for your cake to have the necessary puffiness, use high belt molds. For the cooking time of the cake in the pot depends on the gas, flame and its heat level, the size of the cake, and the type of ingredients. 5. To prevent the cake from burning, be sure to put a flame spreader under the pot and close the lid using a steamer. 6. To create a better aroma, you can add a few drops of rose water to the ingredients and stir. Grate the carrots very finely. Now that you know how to make carrot cake, you are probably more motivated to make and enjoy it with your family. To bake this type of cake, you must follow all the steps in order so that the result is according to your taste. If you are interested in having more tutorials on how to prepare different types of cakes, be sure to follow me and choose your favorite tutorial from among the various and professional tutorials on all kinds of sweets and cakes and proceed to make it. Well, dear friends, we have reached the end of the program. I hope you enjoyed watching this program. Don't forget to follow Mr. Giraffe to learn more diverse things. We will see each other soon.